There once was a mighty... Stop me if you've heard this one before. He was in total control. He feasted on souls. The world trembled when he roared. But then some hunters sang some songs. Now all he does is starve. Can't get at the souls and his flame grows cold. Just a whisper in the dark.
And will he let the fire go out? Is this the end of him now?